Let's set this workout to music! Hit it!
Oh, awesome!
Jump to the rhythm. Jump to the beat. Move your body and lift those feet. Jump, 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 jump. Yes, it's working. Jump, 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 jump. My, this jumping is hard work. Jump, jump, jump to the rhythm.
Sing yourself silly.
Come on everybody to a street called Sesame. There's something very silly that we'd like you all to see. It's the latest, it's the greatest, it's the only place to be. It's the Honker Ducky Dinger Jamboree. Take a chance and join us, and I know that you'll agree. Our show may not be fancy, but it's noisy and it's free. It's got honks, it's got squeaks, it's got dings, and it's got me. It's the Honker Ducky Dinger Jamboree. The Honker Ducky Dinger Jamboree.
Or if you need a newspaper, he sells them in the street.
He'll drive you in his taxi all around the town.
And in his elevator, he'll drive you up and down.
Sometimes he makes a living walking doggies in the park.
Or else he's selling hot dogs, the kind that do not bark.
It really is amazing with all the things to do. When children are in trouble, he is Super Grover too. This is the street Elmo lives on. This is the place Elmo knows. Here with his friends all around him, the friends that Elmo loves so.
All of our voices singing a song we love to share. Happy you're here to join us. Sweet music fills the air.
La-di-dum, la-di-da-di-dum, something shining above. La-di-da-di-dum, la-di-da-di-dum, la-di-da-di-da-dum. We can't help singing la-di-da-di-dum, loud and clear and strong. So la-di-da-di-dum, la-di-da-di-dum,
What's the name of that song?
Now that we have the classic pizza,
the classic pizza.
which is sauce and cheese,
Sauce and cheese.
we can kick it up a notch now and make it a crazy pizza.
Wait a minute, Chef Emerald. Crazy pizza?
Yeah, well, that means you can add just about anything you want.
Anything at all?
Well, almost. Cookbook, can we have some toppings for our friends?
Wow! Oh, can we put all this stuff on the pizza now, Chef Emerald?
We're gonna stay up late and party. We're gonna make a lot of noise. We've got enough great banging stuff to be loud girls and boys. We're gonna rattle cans, hit pots and pans, so everyone can hear. We're gonna stay up late and party and shout. Happy New Year!
Three, fiesta, uno, dos, tres, fiesta, 1, 2, 3, fiesta, uno, dos, tres, fiesta.
Words, and I was sort of thinking of the ones that are more lilting and lovely, you know, like la 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 laughter.
Oh, yeah, I see.
La 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 lullaby.
Ah, like that, huh?
La 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 lollipop.
Ah.
La 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 lights in the sky.
Oh, Ernie, I got a great owl word. This is a beauty. Oh, listen to this. La 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 linoleum.
No, Bert, listen to me. 'Cause L is such a lovely letter. For words like licorice and lace, the letter L lights up your face, so why not la 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 with me?
It is my friends, the honkers. Wait, stop, my friends, please. Please, would you honk one at a time so that I, the count, may count you? Ah, wonderful. Ready. One honk. Two honks. Three honks. Four.
Let's get dressed up. Let's imagine. Let's get dressed up and pretend we're somebody else. I'm a driver on a school bus. I can do it all alone with nobody else. I'm a pilot in an airplane, flying high and looping loops.
Come on and use your imagination.
Sing what I sing, sing after me. Be my echo if you can be. Sing tra-la-la.
Oh, now a tra-la-la.
Yes. Me, me, me.
Me.
Ha, ha, ha.
Ha, ha, ha.
Hee, hee, hee.
Hee.
Yes. Pick a peck of pepper.
Pick a peck of peppers.
Diddle, diddle, dee.
Fiddle diddle dee. Close, huh?
Very, very good. Yes. That was
Thank
good.
you. Shall we?
Yeah. Be my echo.
Be your echo.
Sing what I sing.
Sing what you sing.
Follow the leader and sing after me.
Sing after me.
Akadevki Jekyll to exist. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Akadevki Jekyll to exist. I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see. But somewhere in the middle it gets awful queer to me. Akadevki Jekyll to exist. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen. I'll show you the world, there's so much to see. I'll show you a flower, I'll show you a tweet, and how the stars sparkle, and how the moon glows. I'll show you a twuck, I'll show you your toes. I'll show you the world, there's so much to do.
And single, double,
Salutation, nice bow. You're gonna feel the energy real slow. And you're gonna sit into it. Silly Willy! Tap and hook. Toe, toe, heel, heel, brush back. And sway, and out.
Elmo visits the firehouse. Yay! This is Elmo's friend Susan, and guess what? She's a firefighter.
Hi.
Oh, Susan is going to show us what to do if there's a fire. Elmo was just in Hooper's store when there was a fire.
Yes, you were, Elmo.
Yeah.
And what did you do?
Oh, well, Elmo had to get low and go like this. Who could that be? Come in.
Want to talk to a firefighter?
Oh, boy! Elmo can talk to his friend, firefighter Richard. Yay!
Don't forget us.
Oh, yeah! Elmo can talk to everybody.
Thank you, firefighters! Thank you, firefighters! Thank you, firefighters. I love you.
Wow! A family that sings together.
Other families sing together too. Some families sing together and herd goats at the same time.
Oh, look! Dorothy's imagining Elmo in a singing goat herd family. This hill is alive with the sound of music. We hear goats, Father. We all herd goats. That's our job, goat herds. And when we herd goats, we sing. It's a goat. When we hear a goat, we sing yodel. Your ears hang low, do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Do they dangle to your toes? Can they wrap around your nose? Do your ears hang low? Wow, noisy carrot!
Cats have short, pointy ears, and they keep them very clean.
Meow. Still not clean. Here we go. Waddle, waddle, hop, hop. Waddle, waddle, hop, hop. Wait. But Elmo wants to learn more about wild animals.
We are wild animals.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Elmo can talk to wild animals. Wait, one at a time. Elmo can't hear.
Want to talk to a shoe?
Who said that?
Down here.
Oh. Yeah. Elmo can talk to a shoe.
Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a shoe. I have lots of parts. See this? That's called my tongue.
Oh, well, Elmo has a tongue.
Oh, that's funny, Elmo. Okay. Now, this down here is called my heel.
Your heel, right there.
Yeah, and further up there, that's called my soul.
You got soul.
I sure do, Elmo.
Yeah, can Buck tell Elmo more about getting dressed?
Sure. My title is The History of Getting Dressed.
Oh, boy! Open up and let's see what's inside, Buck.
Okay. Back in cave person days, people got dressed in cave person clothes.
Wow, a dressed cave person.
Later, in ancient Rome, people got dressed in togas.
Oh, look! Dorothy Dorothy's imagining Elmo dressed in a toga. Toga! 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 Now more! Who could that be? Let's find out.
You want to talk to a bicycle?
Yeah, we could talk to a bicycle!
Not without me.
Oh, and a helmet!
I go everywhere bicycle goes. I protect your head. You never get on a bike without me.
Oh, well, Elmo will remember that.
Good.
Helmet. Thanks, Helmet.
Good.
Oh, now it's your turn, bicycle.
Oh, funny you should mention turn. See, you can turn me with my handlebars, see?
Oh,
neat.
You can also pedal my...
You want to hear the story of Pecos Bill, too? Pecos Bill was a rootin' tootin' cowboy with no fear of a critter, big or small. He was the bravest and the best. He put the wild in wild, wild west. He was the ridingest, ropingest cowboy of them all. Now yodelay, 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 yodelay. Ridingest, ropingest cowboy of them all.
Look, Dorothy's imagining...
Want to talk to a birthday cake?
Wow, yeah, we could talk to a birthday cake. Yay! Oh, is it fun being a birthday cake?
Yeah, it's a piece of cake. Ho, 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 ho.
Tell Elmo more about birthdays, Cake.
Well, for starters, birthdays are to celebrate the day you were born.
Oh, look! Dorothy is imagining Elmo being born. Oh, boy, George is almost a daddy. Oh, boy, Gladys is almost a mommy. It's a boy. He is so cute. What are you going to name him? Elmo.